Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some goodies to share with you today from Diamond Art Gift. They were kind enough to send me these goodies to share with you. So I'm going to start with the one that I needed to open to determine what company it was from. So we'll start with that one. And yes, this is a 30 by 40. It is a round diamond and there's a few different images of these, but these are ones that I like looking through a window. So you can sort of pretend that this is your life, this is your window that you're looking through. I wish it was even just as sunny at the moment through my window, but that water is gorgeous. It has 23 colours and it does come with DMC numbers. The actual size of the canvas is, so the diamond painting area is 35 by just short of 25. So you do have 2.5 centimetres all the way around. You do get a standard toolkit. And then the diamonds. I'm expecting some nice blues. And I do like me some nice blues. And I can see some already. So we do have, well, that's actually a nice blue. Once you mix that in with some brighter ones, that's a gorgeous blue. We have some greys, some browns, of course some greens, and some beige. Ah, look, there come the blues. Few more greens, few more blues, another one of my favourite blues, and look, absolutely gorgeous blues in that one to give you a outside view. Oh, and we do have, missed these ones, we do have, is that 3866? Yeah, 3866, 3865 and a little bit more of a blue. They sneaked out of my hand while I was showing off the others. Oh, I think I actually got those diamonds back in right. Go me. That definitely doesn't always happen. But yeah, this is just a waterfall type scenery. But as I say, there's a few different ones of these if you like the ones that are looking through a window. And then number 2, well, we do have a toolkit because I can see that already. For number 2, a little bit different, but we have another 30 by 40. Yet this one is a violins. So if you have a musician or a wannabe musician in your life, or whether you just enjoy the music itself, then we have a gorgeous violin picture with flowers. Bit more of a muted one, this one, but I still think the image is stunning. It has 24 colours. They do come with DMC numbers, and it does of course come with a toolkit. The size of the canvas is just short of 25 by 35, so same as the other one. 2.5 centimetre border all the way around, but you've got a couple of vases of flowers and a couple of violins. You've got flowers in the background and the, well, foreground-ish. And then look at the rich colours in this. Oh, so these are more richy, earthy type tones. That's what I think of when I see this. So we've got some gorgeous coral colours, some purples, blues, nice dark green, some browns, mustards, little pops of lighter colour, these gorgeous reds that you end up with on the violin, look at those, dark purple, and then we have your nice warm brown tones to help make up the background. So you can just admire that picture while I try and get these diamonds back in some sort of fashion. Some sort of back the way they came. I tried to find where they've folded it before, and sometimes I manage to find it and sometimes I don't. I sort of have. Not very well, but I tried. So we'll go with that. But yeah, really nice. Nice warm toasty one for the winter. And then, what was number 3? Memory eludes me. Number 3 was, oh, little bit, oh yes. So this is slightly wider. This is 45 by 30, but sometimes you just need to breathe. Breathe and diamond paint. Now this one is a round. It has 25 colours and it does come with DMC numbers, but it is slightly different in that it does have the what I call the training wheels. So it does have the circles around the symbols. Now the symbols are pretty much all letters. There is a couple of symbols in there, but they do have the circles round them, so it does make it look a little bit darker. But that background is not all the same colour. It's as though it's got sort of different stripes of it. So a lot of this bit down here is the letter Y, and then a lot of this is the letter O, but then it does have a few other colours in it. So I think it gives a nice shading. And then of course you've got those pops of blue in the flowers up the top, and of course your butterflies. It does come with a toolkit. So the actual size for this one is 25, but then does it reach 40? Just short of 40 across. So you've got a 2.5 to 3 centimetre border, but I just thought it was gorgeous. And I like the way that the butterfly is sort of the same colour as the flowers. And then we do have some like soft peachy colours for the background. In fact, you can see the background a little bit better in the picture, or at least I think you can. It is different shades within that background. I'd say it's a bit like wood panelling. It is, but it isn't. It's a lot softer than that. So you know, you don't have to fear that all that background is all the same symbol. It's not. It's got quite a few different ones in there. So we do have 2 bags of that peach, which is number 23, which is O. So that is in the background, but then it's mixed in with white. So you've got white mixed in on the background, and then we do also have, so they're the 2 main colours, but then we do have a bit of this 169 is actually mixed in on some of the background as well to give the shade in. And then S, where's S? Number 19. And then we do also have some of this greeny colour in the background. So you actually sort of end up with white, peach, a grey blue. Let's see if I can get that one on there. And a green. And they sort of give a really nice shading. So you mix in between a nice variety of colours there. But we do have some gorgeous greens in that background and in the flowers. And we've got some really nice blues. Of course, mix those up and make them pop. A little bit of yellow, a little bit of nice in with the green. And of course, beautiful blues. Oh, I like that green. That's a nice green. It's like a pea green. Oh, and we've got the gorgeous blue, some dark blues, and of course then a few more of your white and your peach for your background. Not too many though, not enough that you're like, yeah, I'm over this colour. And the fact that it's varied up on the background as well, I think does make a big difference to, you know, say having it as a pure colour in the background with no breakups. That can get a bit OTT, but it's not. There are some patches of it, but you can see when I hold it closer, there's quite a variety of other colours in there. And I just think, just breathe. I think it's just cute. So I will pop links to all of these down below, of course. thank you to Diamond Art Gift for sending me them to share with you all. And I hope you like them. Let me know your thoughts down below, what you think, what's your favourite. A little bit of a variety this time. But thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.